right here.
What?
I have sardines right here, right below. You wanna catch them?
No, I didn't get any.
Huh?
I didn't get any. You didn't know how dumb I was, huh? Okay, hits it.
Alright, having some little bit of dinner. Having a Sapporo Ichiban. Alright. Come on, please, 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 lobster, please, please, please. Scott, please, come on. Come on, Scott, please. Scott, please. Yes, 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 yes! Alright, we're lobster hooping on the second day of opening season. I got Mr. Roger Tanaka. His wife, no, not wife, girlfriend was gracious enough to let him go. And then we have Mr. Scott, my first mate, is here. So we're gonna try to catch lobsters, and we're not gonna go home until we finish them and catch limits. That's the plan, that's the plan, all right? Roger is chopping up the baits right now, so he's not cooking dinner.
Roger, good copy. Are you guys within?
Just waiting for to get dark, sun to go down. Sun shining like, what is it? Like a diamond? What does sun shine like? Anyways. Yeah, there's a lot of sun. Gonna have to wait about an hour and 45 minutes to get started. Anyways. Big fish, Roger, come on! Oh my god. What is that? Ew, that's like aquarium fish.
Okay, hits it.
Yeah, just leave that. It's already measured?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Maybe not. Maybe a little more out.
We did measure a couple of months.
Just use the spray the just take the top off and then do it. Just use it up. It's old anyways. It's probably like 2 years old.
But then, like I did this one, I just dropped it down right here, straight down, and then measured it out. It's good. So just put a bait on it.
All right, we're setting the traps up. We're trying to make the spot work.
Under protest. We're under protest.
Roger is not happy with my decision right now. I understand. Because it is a stupid and crazy decision. I hear you. I hear you. Never been done.
Okay, I'm gonna,
One-stop shopping.
I'm gonna throw this as far as I can.
All right. Come on, please, 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 lobster, please, please, please. Scott, please, come on. Come on, Scott, please. Scott, please. Yes, 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 yes. Okay, let's put it back down.
That's a good size.
Oh, just put it back down. Do this one first. No, 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 don't put it inside. It gets too dirty. It gets too dirty. I don't want to clean that shit. It smells for weeks. It smells for weeks.
That doesn't smell.
Yes, it does. Yes, it does. I promise. They'll still be alive.
One.
No, they're both small. Oh,
I'm putting a gauge
Okay.
in here, okay? Just keep it in there.
this is too small.
So we're only gonna fish five nets.
No, keep putting it in. Let's do it. Wait, there's so many spots. Scott only took here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Come on, let's do it. Roger, let's make it work. Come on, let's do it.
5 feet away is not a spot. It's the same spot.
Let me pull this one up. Oh, nice size one. Oh, legal. Scott. All right, come on. Come on, Scott. Give me some lobsters. Come on. Come on, lobster. Come on, big ones, big ones. Big mother. Big. Big mothers and big fathers. Oh my gosh. Absolutely nothing.
Nothing. Leave them on. Just leave them on.
Yeah. Shoot.
I guess we're done with this area.
Here, grab this one and this one. These two.
Delete that one. Start over.
Come on, Scott. Come on, Scott. Come on, Scott. Come on, Roger. Come on, big ones. Yes, I feel it. I feel it. I feel it. Yes, 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 yes. Come on. Come on. Please, 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 please. Oh my gosh. What happened? What happened?
Well, you're not using that for a video.
Oh man.
Zero.
Let's pull that. Let's just pull it all up. Oh my, I can't believe not even one. Please, please, come on, Scott! Lobster, lobster! Please, lobster! Please! Please! Please, 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 come on, Roger!
That one has some. That one has.
Oh,
Oh! Wow.
shark.
Nice one. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Yes, eel! Finally! Yes, finally! Oh, big one! Oh yes! Yes! Yes!
A little bit more
careful,
exciting on this side.
Yeah, get rid of that thing first, and we'll dump this guy in.
Yeah, just put it back in. Put it back in, Scott. Right there. Don't.
Watch out, they have big teeth, obviously.
Okay.
So, you know how to grab those things? Eels?
No. Can I eat that?
What? Just don't let them get a hold of you, because if they get hold of you, their jaws are like solid. Just drop back over and leave it on.
I did.
God, this is short. Way short. Alright, having some little bit of dinner. Having a Sapporo Ichiban.
We're using mustad hooks and yeah, some really good stuff. But it's the price point is what attracted long cruiser. Their first order was 24 of each color. They sold out like right away. Let's talk Tanaka. Take some of that. Some of that. There we go.
Tell me this is the best ramen you ever had in your life. Better than Japan.
It always tastes better outside.
Be quiet. It's me. It's my cooking.
Probably put a half pack of for sure.
This is what I'm used to, like no one else out there.
Feels kind of like that one.
I don't even know there was nobody. Yeah. A little scary almost.
It was a little bit scary
That's why I took the buddy boat.
because it was pitch dark, no light. We didn't have any light.
Okay, go figure this. At least you have radar. I was going Catalina without radar. Couldn't tell. I was playing chicken with a crater.
That's pretty
Couldn't
good.
tell. Man, I looked for like half an hour trying to figure out, okay, which way is he going? What's he doing? Literally just like, it's like, jeez. Very good, James. Hats off to the chef. You know, you tried the special sauce in it, it's even better. Yeah.
Very, very good.
Add a little.
Wow, seriously. Very light.
Another eel. 2 eels. Huh?
Yeah.
Short.
Oh, that was another
Eel.
eel.
Oh,
lobster hooping is so fun. So fun. We love it. It's our favorite time of the year. I mean, it's like we have the urge to do it, but as soon as we come out and then we start skunking, nothing. It's brutal, dude. Like, 아, 그거 버리는 거예요.
이렇게 해서 이걸 이렇게 찍어가지고 채우거든요.
됐어요?
맛있어. 맛있어.